Blending fertilizer production line is a simple and flexible fertilizer production process that can produce various proportions of compound fertilizer according to different formulas. Step 1. Batch materials in precisely proportion. Step 2. Blend batch the materials evenly and continuously. Step 3. Pack the well-mixed granules into bags with different specifications and weights. Step 4. Stacks the packaged fertilizer bags for easy storage and transportation. The BB fertilizer production line employs industrialized production methods. Professional batching equipment ensures greater precision in fertilizer formulations, meeting the requirements of various customer-specific formulas. And equipped with dust removal devices, it is dust-free and environmentally friendly. With low investment, high efficiency and easy operation, this line is well loved by customers.